Let's create a PowerPoint presentation from your daily lesson log or lecture notes. Open any browser. In the search bar, type notebooklm.google.com and press Enter key. Sign in using your Department of Education given Gmail account. The format is your first name dot last name at deped.gov.ph. Enter your password and click Next. Click Create New Notebook. Upload pop-up for your resources will appear. You can upload your resources by dragging into this pop-up or by clicking Upload button. If this pop-up did not appear, you can click the Add Resources button on the upper left panel. You can upload your DLL or your lecture notes as your resources. For this video, I used my DLL and lecture notes as my resources. Once resources are uploaded, click Slide Deck on the upper right panel. Customize Slide Deck box will appear. Detailed Deck is more comprehensive, more text, and Presenter Slide is more brief, and it will just be our guide. You may choose any, but for this video, I will be using Presenter's Deck. For the language, you change this to Filipino or English. For the length, default is up to maximum of 20 slides, and it is longer to generate. For short, usually 10 and faster to generate. For this video, I used short. Make sure that you selected all your resources. You can add prompt for Notebook LM using this chat box. Click Generate. Generation for short slide deck may take 3 to 5 minutes. Once slide deck is generated, click this Revise button to check the content if it is appropriate for your topic. Use this chat box if you wish to change the content of your slide deck. If slide deck is verified, click this kebab menu to download your presentation. Slide deck can be downloaded as PowerPoint presentation or PDF. That's it. Enjoy your DepEd Google account.